Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a flower with alcohol inks. I have a canvas here, small canvas. It's probably a 6.5 inch. I painted it with piggy pigment mixed with untinted paint, and its color is Sapphire. So I just painted the base with that and the edges. And then now I am going to add, this is Tim Holtz. This is Tim Holtz alcohol ink, and it's pearl. Oops, sorry. So, and I'm going to be blowing it with my rocket air pump. Works pretty good. Okay, you have to shake this up. Any metallic inks you have to shake up really good. It's got a little ball bearing inside to help mix it, because the metallic part of it sinks to the bottom. Okay. Before I begin, I'm going to be wearing my respirator. I always wear a respirator when I use alcohol inks, because you don't want to be breathing in the fumes of the alcohol in the ink. So, have I said everything that I needed to say? Now, that's basically all I'm going to do. If I think that it needs it, I might add another color, just sort of in the center area, but I'm not really sure. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it or if I'm just going to leave it with the pearl. And if I don't like the pearl, I might end up having to add snow cap, because it's a little bit more opaque than the pearl. Alright, so yeah, okay, I'm going to begin. I'm putting my mask on. Okay, I will be doing the center in a little bit. Once this dries completely, I'll be doing the center. Okay, I am back, and now I'm going to add the center of the flower. I'm just going to be using white. It's Acrylic Pens. Acrylic Painter by Fly C. That's what I've been using for the centers of my flowers lately. All right, I think that's okay. I'm going to get my paint and just paint these little marks off right here. I'm thinking maybe I should add some other color for the flower center. Doesn't showing up very well. Should I use silver or a little bit of black? I'll try black. I'll try black. Just not the whole thing, but just some areas, especially out here. It's kind of mixed in with the white. Stands out a little more. Okay, bring it in for a close-up. It's wild how the pearl looks pink. Unless it's reacting with the paint underneath, I don't know. I'll try it over black and see how that works. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.